Good morning, dear students. We are studying about the external sources of recruitment, and we have studied some of these sources of recruitment. Like first six we have studied, and we are going to continue with the seventh one. And the seventh sources of recruitment is called as the campus recruitment. The campus recruitment, you are very much familiar and you know very well about this type of recruitment, that the companies are having connection with the colleges and even the schools or the management institutes and so on. And there is a placement cell is there in the colleges itself, and there is people, those who are dealing with the different companies, and the companies also are having connection with the colleges. So there is a placement cell in a college, and they know exactly the number of students and the qualified students and so on, and they organize the different type of interviews and meeting with the these companies to come and collect people from the campus itself. Okay, so the representatives of the companies will be coming into the campus college, and they will conduct the selection procedures. They will be conducting like tests, or they will be conducting interviews and selecting the suitable candidates there. So it will give more promotion to the colleges also, so that the colleges which are giving more placement opportunities will be considered as the best colleges, or students wants to study, because students soon after their education they will be able to enter into a job. Okay, so people see, like if we are there, we want to study, we are studying for getting a job, and we don't want to simply waste our time in searching for the job even after completing our studies. So some students, what they do is that they complete their studies and they wait for the result. Then after that, after getting the result, with the result they search for the job, going here and there and searching for the job, and they may have to spend 1 year or 2 years time for searching for the job, and getting the job will be very much difficult. So, but if there is a campus recruitment option, before the exam is getting over itself, they will be conducting, like when the students are in the final year itself, they will conduct the campus recruitment, or interviews and all will be conducted, and they will soon after their studies are over, even before getting the results, the children will be able to join the company, and before they are getting the results and so on, they will be getting an opportunity to get the training and so on, and they will start working. So it will be a very much a good opportunity for the students, as well as for the companies also. They get a fresh employees directly from the campus itself. So the people in the college or the teachers, they recommend, or they know exactly the members in the placement cell, and the teachers, they know exactly how the students are there, what is the capacity of the students. Like imagine if you are asking about in our class, so we know if there are 25 students in our class, we know how many of them are good in studies, how many of them will be able to do what sort of jobs, you know. So such kind of abilities are there, who all are the talented in which type of fields, all this information we know. And when you are going into the college, little more of your these specialities or your specializations will be coming up. So in the colleges there will be a lot of opportunities also for showing your talents there. So you may be getting more opportunities there. So by doing that, you will be getting more experiences, and soon after completing your studies, you will be able to get the job with the help of the campus recruitment. Okay. Then the next external source is called as the recommendations of the existing employees. See, for example, if there is a vacancy in our school, since I am a staff of the school, I know that the one particular staff is going to leave this school, and by the next year there will be a vacancy. So if any of my relatives or friends or anyone who knows me, if I am familiar with someone, then I will tell him that there is a vacancy, and if you apply, you can apply for the job. Or you can, since I am having more connection with the principal, I may be able to just ask the father whether if one of my friend is there, can I just tell him to contact. So then he will be contacting, and the father also will be happy because he knows that if it is my friend, so I will be recommending only a good person. So like such kind of interaction will be there. So the members of the company, the members, the employees, they will have a good relationship with the others, and they know that the human resource management, they know also that these people will be recommending only good people, only qualified. They know what are the qualifications and the qualities required, and they will be able to suggest such kind of people. And for the people also, see, like if we are searching for the job, we know that it is of our own friends and all, then we will not be recommending a bad job. So if we are getting a recommendation from somebody, it shows that they are working there and they are good in working there, or the company is very good, then only they are recommending. So we will be also feeling happy to work in such a situation. So recommendations by existing employees or their own maybe relatives will be there, friends will be there, family relatives will be there, or any of his classmates or such kind of any relations will be there. So such kind of recommendations are quite possible. Okay. And if the managers and so on, if they are also having some connection with the other people, so such a way recommendations are very much necessary, and it is a good source of recruitment. Then next is called as the labor contractors. So there are some kind of labor contractor. This is mostly used in the lower level jobs like laborers and all are there. So there are some labor contractors are there. So they are the people, those who are supplying labors. If you go in like Gulf countries and all, there are so many labor contractors are there. Here also we are having, but that much it is not that much famous. But in foreign countries, especially like Gulf countries and all, people there are so many Indians, those who are going to Gulf countries searching for job, or they are going there and see, like if some kind of work is there, like if you are going to Gulf or any other country for a labor job, you cannot simply go there, because if you are going there, you may not have continuous job. Like 1 week job is there, for that you cannot go to a Gulf country or a foreign country. So you will be taken by the labor contractors. These labor contractors will be bringing different people from different states or even from different countries. Like in Kerala, there are so many labor contractors are there, and people from UP, Bihar, all this Orissa and all, they are coming there and they are staying there. And these labor contractors are giving them facility for these people to stay, and they will be having work. They take work from different fields, different places, like in one building construction is there, one road construction is there. Mostly the construction type of jobs are there. So there they will be arranging. And when one job is getting over, they will be arranging the job in other places. So if we want to have, if any company and all, they are interested to have laborers, then they can contact these numbers, and how many days of job will be there, where the location is there, every information if they give, then they will be supplying the laborers. So there are some labor contractors, and they are providing the facility of arranging the labor. So for the laborers also, this is very good, because these laborers, they are getting regular job. If we are going in another state or another country and searching for a job, and searching a job and getting a job is not that easy. Okay. Or even like the securities that we are having, so there are, like we are having securities and different security jobs are there. So there are some contractors are there, labor contractors, like the security company is there, like Checkmate and all, you might have seen. Some kind of Royal Security, like that, it is written there on their badges, it is written what company they are belonging to. So those are some labor contractors. So there will be like the security will be working as a member of there, and these companies, labor contractors, will be making agreement with the school or with the bank or any place where the securities are required. And if one day if one person is absent, then they will arrange another person. So we can work there, people can work there, and we don't have to, if we are appointing a security, every day the company will send the workers. So every day, if one day if security is absent, then we cannot arrange suddenly another security. So in like a home nursing and all, for this also, like if in Gulf countries and all, there are people, those who like doing the work of like home nurse, or if like the children are there, so take care of the children. So if or house keeping jobs are there, like cleaning, all these type of jobs. For that also there are labor contractors are there, so they will be bringing the facilities or making the facility of the labor. So they will be arranging the labors. So they will have a list of number of labors will be there, and they will be supplying these labors in different places. Okay, so this is another source of recruitment. Then next we have to study is about the telecasting. Okay, so telecasting is a very interesting or very advanced way of giving this kind of advertisement, like it is published in the TV or other medias like internet and so on. They will be publishing like this information about the job. So how much number of posts are there, what is the type of job that they have to do, how much vacancies are there, how much salary will be there. All the information about the job will be telecasted. So sometimes when you are watching TV, there will be some in some programs are there related like career options or career related programs are there. Some channels even are there for providing facilities like that. So we can watch such a channel, and in that they will be showing that or even under the like when the like scrolling, like it will be going under the screen, it will be showing that there is a vacancy in particular company and this many number of vacancies are there, and you can contact in this number, phone number may be given, or in some local channels and all are there. In that also these kinds of information is given. So telecasting is another way of recruiting or another source of recruitment. Then the last or another step of or another source of recruitment is called as web publishing. Okay, so there are some websites, those who are providing facilities, like you might have heard about this Naukri.com, jobsearch.com, okay, monster.com. So there are so many websites are there. So these kinds of websites are providing the job opportunity. So see, like if I am interested to get a job, then I can upload my resume there, my documents, my photo and date of birth, all the details and what are my qualifications, everything I can upload, and they will tell us to create a user ID and a profile. Okay, so this profile will be created, and they will be sending this profile to different companies wherever they are. See, like whatever qualifications they are. If I have telling that I have completed my MBA, and wherever when the job opportunity is coming related to MBA, then they will send this my resume to those companies, and those companies will be searching, and if I am selected, then they will send me a mail for attending the interview, or if written test is there, then they will tell you that on this particular day there will be a written test and we have to participate in the written test, and if we are passing in the written test, then we will be going to the next stage. So which is so many jobs will be there suitable for us, and we can also see we open the website there, then we can see that what are the job opportunities. Like if you enter your qualification there, then they will show you a number of vacancies or a number of job opportunities which are possible, and you can just click on that, and they will, when you click on that, they will be giving you the details about the job, what are the job, how many vacancies are there, what is the expected salary, what is the qualification required. All these type of details will be given there, and there is an option given for applying. Okay, if you click on apply, then your resume will be sent to the company, and the company will go through your qualifications and so on, and after that they will inform you about this one. Okay, and not only that, there are also like with the help of internet we are using like in WhatsApp and all, we are getting so many job opportunities are available, or Facebook. In Facebook also some are publishing so different sources are there. So these are some of the sources. We have studied about 10-11 sources of external recruitment. There are also even few more examples or few more sources are there. So there are so many sources of recruitment. So what we have to study is that the external sources of recruitment means that the job is, or the people are selected from outside the organization. So there are many different ways. So you should study about these type of different sources, and what are the specialities of these sources. Okay. So I hope you all are able to understand this one, and thank you so much.